pedals.
This is a new pedal by Universal Audio. They just came out with a new line of pedals.
This is a rack mount, I think, offered back in when. Or...
This is modeled after a rack mount unit. That's one of the most famous compressors ever. Studio Compressors. It's a big, huge unit, but they somehow managed to put it into a pedal.
Yes, they have.
So it's got three modes: single, dual, and sustain mode.
Yeah.
Single is like one effect. Dual is like having two of them parallel, or sorry, not parallel, but in series. And then the sustain mode seems to give you kind of infinite sustain.
This ultimate sustain is badass. And also the second setting is a little bit of an overdrive, isn't it? They said Jimmy Page used two of these back-to-back on his album.
Yeah. So
and got
one
distortion on
kind
it.
of overdrives the second. First one overdrives the second one. Yeah, that's
interesting, right? That's
it.
Interesting.
Sure is. So
where do you want to start with?
Let's start with a generic kind of compression sound. That's our clean tone.
That's just a clean.
Without any compression.
Nothing there. Nice compressed.
Very pleasant compression. In fact,
very smooth.
you have a lot more control over this compressor than you do with a lot of pedal compressors.
Exactly
You've
right.
got attack, release, and a ratio control, which most compressors just have a sensitivity and an output level.
It's true. It's true. We've got a little more control, don't we?
Now we're going to try dual mode. So this is dual mode is kind of like an overdrive effect. One of the 1176s overdrives the second 1176.
And this is a cool sound here. Listen. And you can really get it to. That's cool. That's very good.
Now let's try the sustain mode, which gives you seemingly infinite sustain. That's nice.
Good sustain.
Very nice.
Nice. Not too slammed.